Hi, a quick one. This is Steve Crypto from Goshen Abitrage and Crypto Trading. I want to show you how to claim the bonus, the promotion from Binance Fiat Deposit Challenge. Now, you go to your Binance. This is my Binance. You come to the home page. You scroll on this notification box. You see this notification box here. You scroll down. You scroll till you get to. Okay, it's not this. You see it till you get to this particular one, up to 1,000 to be shared. This one here, so click it. It's loading. So we have 3 days to go. You can see Binance Fiat Carnival, complete transaction and win up to 10,000 bursts. It's real. So come down, you scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down. Before you go down, you see a join button. I've joined already. You see a join button. You see it here. A join button below this hour, below this countdown. You join. After joining, you go down. You go down to challenge. You click this word challenge. I'll click it now. Challenge. Okay, it has opened. This competition has opened, so you can win 0.5 to 10,000 bucks. You can also win a thank you. Can you see? So you come to this place. If you're from Nigeria, you can only make deposit now. You come to this place, you click this place, do it. You see do it. Make sure you click do it before you do the task. Click do it before you do the task. So after clicking do it, you go and deposit 1,000 naira. You deposit 1,000 naira. I have a video. I'll put the link in the description how to deposit 1,000 naira. When you deposit 1,000 naira, that's all. You come back to this place and you click this button. So after depositing, you come to this place and you click go. It automatically rotates and give you your bonus. Good luck. So after you have done that, if you are done with that, you go to reward center. I'll show you. Okay, you come to this place, you click more. You come to reward center, you scroll down, you see reward center, you click it. So this is the reward center. You can see I've won 0.5 burst. So I'll just redeem it. Make sure you redeem it. Make sure you redeem it. You redeem it by clicking here, redeem. So you click redeem. So go and try it. Make bonus. Subscribe so that you get such updates. Like and share the video. Thank you. Kindly rush. It's just 3 days before it expires.